Came in the mail today. 3-head solar powered LED cordless light. Okay. 1600 lumen. Okay, it's waterproof, motion sensor, easy to install, no wires. Okay, this is the solar panel. Pull this up out of the way. Got the instructions here. Solar motion activated security light. Okay. Basic instructions. That aside. Okay, and here's the light. Get this off of here. Okay, a little too close right there. The back of it. It's got cardboard in the middle right here. Pull this off, pull that up, and there it goes. Falls off. Alright. Almost. Anyway, here's the back plate right here. This slides off. This goes up against the house, and you put your 4 screws in here. Then slide this piece over this right here. Okay. The battery's in here. It says use rechargeable batteries only. Okay. I guess that's what they wear down, so. Anyway. Turn it around. This is the sensor right here. 180 degrees. It senses, it's got sensor motion up to 49 feet. Okay, and here's the controls at the bottom. It's got the timer, sensitivity. Got both of them, and here's the on and off switch, and that's where it plugs in at the solar panel right there on the right. So not bad. And put that down right there, and I'm gonna install it next chance I get. So Okay, I've got my lights installed up there, and I got this part right here installed. I got all 4 screws in there, so all I have to do is hook up this wire right up in that hole, right up in there, just like that. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oops. Okay. All right. All right. It came out a little bit down here, but I got it. So I got my wire hooked up in here, right in that hole where it goes. So I'm good. I got this already set up at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it or not. So I'm good to go right here. All I need to do is let it charge, let the batteries charge for 3 days, and should be good to go. Okay, I got everything set up. Only took me about 30 minutes to set everything up, but she's ready to go. Looks good.